To show one of the things that I do is, let's say we're working on the rocker stud boss, or as some may say, the rocker stud lump. I'll start at the base right here, actually the roof, come in, and then I'll take the rest of it down as much as possible. For mine, for my car, I'll probably just take it down and not create a hole. Some people don't mind the hole, but I'm going to try to avoid it. Let's see if I can avoid it. So if you see there, I started at the base or the roof, however you want to look at it, and go in, and then I would, let's just say I went all the way as far in as I felt necessary, and then I would just use that as my guide for removing more material. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish on the rocker stud boss and give you progress. So after I've done some initial work on the rocker stud boss, I reduce it a certain amount. This is still in progress. I always go back and touch up everything I do until I feel that I got it just right. Removed enough material, have the right shape to promote flow. And so that'll give you an idea of the rough cut of this part of the rocker stud boss. So next thing I'll probably show removing material on the swirl ramp and the valve guide boss. So there you go, quick look. Another thing that you'll see me do is remove material off the valve guide boss and the swirl ramp. So here's the valve guide boss. Remove material here. Remove material here on this side, and then I'm going to reduce or remove the swirl ramp because this will promote flow, right? Everything we're doing in the intake port and bowl area and the throat is to promote flow, to promote the cylinder filling, because that's what's going to get you your power, right? So we want cylinder filling to be as effective and efficient as possible. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'll show you maybe a little bit of the work, but I'll show you more progress more than anything. There's another shot of my progress. So I've reduced the valve guide boss, I've reduced the swirl ramp. I am going to take more material off the swirl ramp, and again, just to point it out, there's our swirl ramp. I'm going to remove more material so it's closer to straight down, remove a little bit more on this side too, and then I'm going to start to do bowl work, a little bit of throat work. Again, all in the effort to promote cylinder filling for our power production. Alright, so there I will have more progress videos for my set of 243s, but hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.